Many people can tell already what we're gonna do in today's video. Yes, we're gonna change the hydraulic fluid in ASTRA G MK4, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. To make sure you can complete this hydraulic fluid refill or hydraulic fluid change, you need to have these 4 things. First of them is jack lift. You need to lift the car up into the air. Second thing, you need hydraulic fluid. I've been researching what kind of hydraulic fluid is going there. By manufacturer, it's ISO 22, so I'm gonna stick with this one. You can put there anything you want, but I'm gonna stick with ISO 22. Third thing, you will need a spanner, size number 13, to lose the bolt on the reservoir. And fourth, and I think the most important, is syringe. Have something that you can suck the hydraulic fluid out, and have something that you can put the hydraulic fluid back into the reservoir. This is the syringe that I'm gonna use. It's called Master Pro, and it cost me I think £18 in Eurocar Bar, so it's not that expensive, and it's multi-purpose use, so you can use it on something else after. And this is how we will do it. Make sure you lift the car into the air as high as you can. Now is the question where the hydraulic pump is. The hydraulic pump is located on the back of the car on the right hand side. So when you get into your boot, as soon as you get in, there is gonna be covers, plastic covers, and the hydraulic pump is gonna be just behind them. Second thing what I would do is remove the plastic covers away, and the reason why is because you will have a better access to the hydraulic pump. The next step is when we remove all of the covers, we need to undo this bolt on the side of the reservoir. That's why we will need spanner size 13. When you remove the bolt, don't lose it, put it somewhere into a safe place. So after you remove the bolt, you will need a syringe and suck all of the fluid from the reservoir. If you make a mess, relax, just clean the mess, nothing else. I did a little bit, but nothing special. Now have a look. This is the old hydraulic fluid, and it seems like there is some kind of sludge. Doesn't seem to be too clean. So I will check the new one, and we will insert the new one. I know the hydraulic fluid is in the syringe, but can you spot the difference? This one is darker, this one is lighter. Now back to the reservoir. Insert that back in and put as much as you can. Honestly, don't be scared to overfill it. It's better to overfill it than put the car back on the ground and see there is not enough. Bolt coming back quickly to don't lose a lot of oil. There we go. Now tighten the bolt, but how I said, be gentle because it's plastic. You don't want to over tighten the bolt. That's it, not too much. Clean the mess after. When you finish this process, don't put the covers back in yet. First, drop the car down on the ground, then take the roof down, check the level. If it's gonna be too much, put something underneath to catch the fluid and release some hydraulic fluid. That's it. Easy as that. I hope this video was helpful in any way, and if yes, I will be so happy if you support me with to click the subscribe button. Leave me comments down below about the video or about how was this process on your car. See you next one. Cheers.